is to avoid anything which stresses the liver. Of course, alcohol is the new fashion, unfortunately. It's available freely and people are able to afford it, especially in the urban societies and also in rural communities. And unfortunately, the government also subsidizes alcohol. And this is something that we talk about under public policy. But as individuals, our responsibility is that even though it's available, be moderate or try and avoid it. So these are some preventative aspects of which an individual can actually undertake. I mean, as a society, of course, we have a responsibility. And what societal interventions can we do? Of course, discussions in the media like this, and what the media is doing now, for example, through this video as well, making people aware of NAFLD and also making doctors aware of NAFLD as well. This is extremely important. I mean, the prevalence that is, it is really shocking. 40 to 50% of young adults having fatty liver disease, and in the future leading to problems. This is something that awareness amongst the doctors and public is very important. And the third aspect is public policy. We just talked about how alcohol is being subsidized in various places, and this is something that we as the public should campaign towards the government, and to try and limit the availability of alcohol. Of course, there are a lot of economics behind it, but that's something in the long term. Things which are easily done, for example, we as a public, for example, in schools, trying to, we as parents being involved in parent teachers associations and things like that, we can try and influence the schools as to try and make nutritious food available in schools, try and avoid, high sugary drinks being available in the schools, and prevent junk food from being available in school, and promoting a healthy lifestyle in schools, especially amongst children. Because we do know that 30 to 50% of our children are also overweight or obese, and in the future can develop NAFLD when they become young adults. So this is a particular area to focus on. And of course, exercise and maintaining healthy habits amongst schools is also a very important thing, which through public policy we all can try and influence the policymakers. So these are some areas which we can look at to try and prevent the development of NAFLD, or metabolism associated steatotic liver disease. And the problem with the NAFLD or MASLD is that it doesn't cause any symptoms. And by the time it causes symptoms, it takes decades, and it generally is very late, and there are irreversible damage effects which have already occurred in the liver and also in other organs, for example the heart and the blood vessels, leading to other problems. Obviously prevention is the key, and this can be prevented even before all symptoms start.